Hey everyone, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome to a new video and thank you for being here. Okay you guys, so I received this Yasonic corner shower caddy. It comes 3 in the pack. You have the soap holder, and then you also have 2 shelves where you could put your soaps and your body washes, and it also comes with 8 hooks on the inside for you to put your sponges. It also comes with these strong adhesives, and you have 2 for each shelf. So the material of these shelves are stainless steel, which means they will not rust. And they also have sandblasting technology on the surface for secondary protection. They have a large storage capacity. You can use them in your bathroom, in your restroom, in your kitchen, in the living room. So like I said earlier, the adhesive is super strong. It holds up to 40 pounds or the equivalent of 19 bottles of shampoo, you guys. So you'll have to put it at a 90-degree angle, which means it will have to be like a square corner, not a round, because it probably would not fit. So it comes with the instructions. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys. So you could just follow that. But you guys, it is so easy to install. You whip up my appetite. So this design comes in 2 colors, in black and brown, but I chose black because I just find it goes with any bathroom. Bottom of the shelves have an opening so everything dries quick and it keeps everything clean and tidy. And there's no drilling required, as you could see right now. My boyfriend is just installing the stickers, the adhesive, and then we're gonna put on the shelves. So I'll let you guys watch the beautiful results and I'll talk to you in a bit. Okay you guys, so I forgot to mention that I washed the surface and then I wiped it dry. And right now what he's doing, he's just making sure that there are no bubbles, so everything is nice and straight. You're chilling in the rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you get me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. We also made sure to kind of like measure it just so it could be straight, so you don't have the left corner crooked or the right one. So like that, everything is just straight and uniform for the bottles to all be like straight, I guess. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mary, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you part of my little family. So he finished the top shelves. Right now he's doing the bottom ones. And don't forget, if you do it like me, like one on top and one on the bottom, don't forget you guys to measure your biggest bottle, like shampoo bottle, just to make sure that it won't be too high for the space. So over on the other side, he's just gonna put the soap holder. So right now you guys, he's just checking to see if it's sturdy, which it is. So he gave it a thumbs up. So there you go you guys. So right now I'm just gonna put all my bottles and I'm gonna let you guys see this part. So if you guys are interested in this product, I will have the link down below. Don't forget to check it out, you guys, because right now there's a $10 coupon, so the deal is amazing. You guys are gonna save some coins. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm just gonna clean my bathroom because I was long overdue. I have a pretty small bathroom, you guys, so I was doing my best to try to film all the angles for you guys so you could, you know, make sure to see the cleaning as opposed to myself. But yeah, but I was trying my best, you guys. Guys, like, I understand surfaces having dust on them, but this door just has so much dust on it, as you guys could see. I just can't believe it. Like, I need to clean it all the time. So here I'm just using the microban because my daughter was sick and then I got sick and now my boyfriend is sick. So I just wanted to disinfect you guys because we've been sick constantly since like the month of November. And yeah, so I just thought I need to disinfect everything around the house. That's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.